Hi everyone and welcome back to the CADReader tutorial series. In lesson 8, we're going to show you a super handy feature, how to switch the background color to black or white of CAD drawings in CADReader. So let's say you're looking at a drawing and the polylines are super dark. On the black background, they might not stand out that well. Plus, if it's bright around you, the glare can make things even harder to see. Just switch to a white background and boom, these lines will pop right out at you. To do that, simply right-click anywhere in the drawing area and select Switch Background Color to black or white. And just like that, the entire background changes to white. Now, these dark polylines are way clearer. Let's say you want to use a part of your drawing in a Word document. If you take a screenshot and insert it as a photo, it might look weird with the dark background. But with this background color switch, you can change it to white. Take a screenshot and then insert it into your document without any issues. And don't worry, if you ever want to go back to the black background, it's super easy. Just switch it back anytime using the same option. Alright, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.